my name is Micah Ibardolasa and my student number is 185090230. Here's my 360-degree view. Hi, my name is Micah and I will do a focus assessment on cardio and respiratory. Can you please tell me your full name and your date of birth?
Hi, my name is Daniel Scotch and my date of birth is December 18, 1996.
Your name and your date of birth matches your ID band. Perform hand hygiene, check room for contact precaution, provide privacy to the patient. Now I'm gonna start my assessment. I have few questions for you. Have you experienced any shortness of breath in your daily activity?
No.
Do you have any cough or sputum production?
No.
Do you have any fever or chills in the past few weeks?
No.
Have you experienced any chest pain in your physical activity?
No.
Do you feel any palpitation or irregular heartbeat?
No.
Have you noticed any swelling in your leg or feet recently?
No.
Okay. Now I'm gonna auscultate your lungs. Can you please stand and turn your back? Inhale, exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Can you turn? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm gonna assess your apical pulse, which is located in 5th intercostal space midclavicular line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you may sit. Patient assessment. Breath sounds are clear bilateral, no labored breathing, no retraction, no use of accessory muscle. Respiratory rate is 16 breaths per minute within normal. Chest expands symmetrically. Heart rate is 80 beats per minute within normal. Pulse is strong and consistent. No abnormal heart sound or murmur noted. Now I'm gonna assess your upper and lower extremities. Can you please lie down? Now I'm gonna check your radial pulse, your capillary refill, your nail beds. I'm gonna check your dorsalis pedis pulse, your posterior tibial pulse, capillary refill, your nail beds. Can you point your toes toward your nose? Can you point your toes downward? Now I'm gonna check your cough. Okay, you may sit. Patient assessment. Both arms and legs are symmetrical. No edema or deformities noted. Capillary refill, less than 3 seconds. Nail beds are pinkish in color, which indicates good circulation. Both radial and pedal pulses are present and equal in strength. Both arms and legs are in good color, with warm to touch, with full movement, and with good sensation. Left and right calf are equal in sizes, 12 inches, which is within normal limit. That's the end of my assessment. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Now I'm gonna document all the findings and perform hand hygiene. Here's my 360-degree view. Thank you.